They didn't choose us. We were the ones who got chosen. Out of every creature on Earth, only two managed to live inside our homes and our hearts. Cats, the silent manipulators who act like gods. Dogs, the loyal souls who die just to make us smile. But why them? Why not foxes, owls, or even monkeys? Because over thousands of years, these two species learned one secret: how to understand us. Dogs evolved to read our faces. Cats evolved to control our emotions. They didn't just survive beside humans. They mastered the art of owning us.